Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Inspira 1 by Inspira Realty located in Bandra West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, beside which we have the actual land parcel. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And this is the actual land parcel where you can see the construction is in full swing. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.4 acre that will have one tower with two wings of 3 basement, ground plus 8 levels of podium plus 23 residential floors, having 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options and duplex options are available. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Leelavati Hospital, Bandra West, from where Leelavati Hospital is only at a distance of 2 minutes. Reclamation is only at a distance of 5 minutes. BKC connector is at a distance of 5 minutes. Also, you have Bandra Worli Sea Link only at a distance of 5 minutes from the project. And now talking about the amenities, this project has the infinity swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, rooftop party lawn, business center, kids play area and many more. And now talking about the configuration and the carpet area, as said, this project has 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK residences with 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1060 to 1365 square feet, 3.5 BHK in the carpet area of 1501 square feet, 4 BHK in the carpet area of 1549 square feet. Also, you have Jodi and duplex options in the carpet area of 2400 plus square feet. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Inspira 1 by Inspira Realty located in Bandra West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.